Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you 10 YouTube ideas that you can create as a lifestyle creator, or even if you're not a lifestyle creator, that can help you grow on YouTube. One, my realistic morning routine. People love watching how others start their day. Keep it real, don't make it too aesthetic. Day in my life as a small content creator. Share the real behind the scene of how you film, you edit, you script. People love to watch you, and people that are like struggling on those parts we like to like find inspiration or find courage to create content. Talk about your YouTube growth journey so far. Tell people when you acquire or when you've gotten some certain milestone, you have to tell your audience this is where you are at, this is how the journey has been so far, this is what you did to like achieve those milestones, and this is the struggle of how it is for you to be a small content creator on YouTube. Skincare products and review. You can pick up to 3 to 5 products that you've used. Give your honest reviews. Among the 5 products, you have to tell your audience the best among them. You have to tell them why that one is the best, and you have to tell them the remaining 4 how it is, how it works. So people will find a personality in that in you, and they will always keep coming back to your channel. But make sure it is relatable, make sure it is realistic, make sure it is an honest review of what you've used that you're talking about. You can try a beginner skincare routine for glowing skin. People would like to find out why your skin is glowing or what they can actually do for their skin to glow. You can try a DIY at home skincare glow routine that people can always use from the corner of their kitchen, what they can actually find in their kitchen that can make their skins to glow. And all these things are realistic and they are related. People can relate. Oh, I don't know. I have this in my kitchen for a very long time. So me making or me incorporating this in my routine can actually make my skin to glow. So people find it relatable. Spend a productive day with me. Tell people how you stay organized and balance content creation and your daily life. It motivates and entertains. If you're a lifestyle person, you can try something trendy. You can copy all those TikTok shower routine and skincare routine that is trending. You can do it just to keep your audience entertained, but don't do it too much. If especially you're not on that niche, if that niche is not your niche, you don't have to like do it too much. If you monetize, you can share your YouTube paycheck, how much you got as a YouTuber, your first YouTube paycheck, what YouTube paid you, how much it paid you. It keeps people that are looking up to you motivated. It keeps them motivated to like to do more. They will find an inspiration from you. So always tell people about how your journey on YouTube, if you monetize, how it has always been. Monthly or weekly resets. You can organize how you clean, reset, and plan your activities for the month, for the week. Is always relatable. People will always want to watch how you organize and plan yourself weekly, daily, monthly. You can film that as a content. Now that you have 10 fresh content ideas, no more staring at your blank screen. Pick up one today, start filming, and watch your channel grow. See you in the next video.